Hiya, my name's Rebecca and I'm the Street Pride Coordinator for Fenland District Council. Street Pride is about working with local groups to involve with our environmental activities within their local areas, such as litter picking, bulb planting, flower planting.
About 20 plus people in different positions around the site, helping to clear pathways, reinforce the walkways in the park to make it safer for people to come across. It's a nice sunny day, very pleasant way to spend a couple of hours on a Saturday morning. This happens fairly regularly, so perhaps you might like to think about coming down and joining in. I must go back to work now. Okay. Cut!
Well done.